Hello, it's Jennifer from heysealemon and welcome to the second video of the new year. And it has been like 3 weeks since I posted my last video, and I haven't taken a break that long in like 4 years. For the past 4 years, I have pretty much uploaded one video a week, and even when I missed a week, I made up for it later. So this feels really weird, but I will say that it was good to kind of take a break. And you probably know from the last video, the reason for that break was because I moved and I really forgot how exhausting and time-consuming moving is. Like, moving sucks, and it was really nice to just have that time to get into the new digs. And as you can see, I'm still not moved in. This office is like not functioning yet, so it's kind of a mess. So back to the reason why I'm making this video. This is going to be sort of a channel update, just to give you an idea of what's going on and what you can expect on this channel in 2018. So I still live in Arizona. I just moved into a different house that has a new office for me to make these videos in, and the lighting is so different in here. I have almost the opposite problem. Like, this might be too much light. And if you're following me on Instagram, you could see some of my moving process, and you can still go check it out. I made a highlight of all the stories that included the moving process. So if you want to catch up, you can go check that out. I am now on Patreon, and you can click on the card up here to go check out my page, and I will also link it in the video description below. If you're not familiar with Patreon, it's a membership platform where you can support your favorite creator for as little as $1 a month, and for your pledge you get exclusive rewards made by the creator in return. Judging by the comments, I think you guys are really knowledgeable on what has been going on YouTube, and I don't think I have to explain how weird and rough it was here on YouTube in 2017. YouTubers are kind of at the mercy of the algorithm, and we don't have any control on what gets changed on this platform. So Patreon could be a really big help to this channel, and you could get some cool rewards out of it as well. Go take a look at the rewards, and maybe you'll see something you like, and it will be a great way to support this channel. And also keep in mind, you can always change the reward amount, the tier, or cancel at any time. I tried to make the rewards a good balance of something that is worthwhile for your pledge and also something that won't take too much time away from me making the content on this channel. I am totally new to this Patreon thing, so the rewards might change as I learn what works best for both of us, and I'm very open to any reward suggestions that you want to see on there, so comment anything you want to see below. I truly appreciate any amount you want to pledge. The support through Patreon can help fund future projects, production costs, and allow me to put more full-time energy toward making the videos that you want to watch. And if you can't afford anything, that's no problem. I totally understand. There are some other free ways that you can help support this channel. It's free to follow me on Patreon. You can hit the follow button on my profile, and you will get updates on what I'm doing on there and any updates on reward changes or additions. Following my social links helps. And also, a no-brainer, subscribing to this channel definitely helps. And also hitting that little bell icon next to the subscribe button, because it will send you a notification when I post a new video. Hitting that like button in any video helps, and also sharing any video that you think others will enjoy on your social media helps as well. Next up, something else I want to try this year: put more time and quality into some of the videos. Over the past 4 years, I've uploaded, a video a week, and there's been some videos that I want to put more time and more ideas to, but I gotta make that weekly deadline, so I just didn't get the time. Some projects take longer to make, film, and edit, so just know there may be a week in the month where I might want to put that time toward a bigger video, because I know you guys will enjoy it more. So basically, I want to try more quality over quantity this year, and if there is any difference in my upload schedule, I will definitely let you know on the community tab. Next up, I want to share some series and projects that I'm thinking of trying this year. I recently posted in the community tab that I was thinking of trying a sketch study or sketch assignment series, and you guys had a lot of good feedback on that. I can't decide what I want to call it just yet, sketch study or sketch assignment. I feel like assignment kind of makes you feel like you need to do it, so there's more motivation to do it. But the idea of these videos would be that it's a subject or thing to study through sketch. So my video would provide the reference and visual source for things to sketch. This would provide good ideas for filling your sketchbook. Sometimes you just don't know what to draw or sketch on your pages, and I will also sketch with you. The video would be to explore the object more with your hands to get better muscle memory and eye-hand coordination. As an artist, that's really important. Sometimes you get rusty if you just don't sketch stuff. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below, and leave any suggestions for the subject matter that you want to sketch in this series. I have some DIY videos that I want to make, especially moving into this new space. There's going to be a lot of solutions that I need to come up with. And I say this every year, but I also want to make more bookbinding videos. I know I say that every year, but I'm going to try to do that again this year and add more book-related videos to my channel. Inspo shop with me videos, maybe. I don't know if you guys like that kind of series idea. I posted 2 videos so far, so let me know if you guys want me to continue that, and I'll put that playlist up here if you want to check it out. And of course, I will be continuing more doodle challenges. Speaking of doodles, I have a goal this year that I want to try to make a 1-year doodle challenge book. After putting up so many monthly doodle challenges here on this channel, I really think a 1-year doodle challenge book needs to exist. It would be for the hardcore doodlers who want to attempt to doodle every day for an entire year. I started playing around with the design of this book last year, and this year I want to make it a reality and get it printed. The pages would be similar to how you've seen on my templates in the videos, but this would be all of the pages in a bound book on quality thick paper, and it would be available for you to purchase. I'm still going to do the free doodle challenges on this channel, but this book would be an extra option for the really hardcore doodlers out there that want a nice book to keep all of the doodles in. I don't have a date for when this will be available just yet, but you can support this whole idea on my Patreon page. Go see that reward for more details, and it includes exclusive updates on how I'm doing with the book and give you progress pictures on what it's going to look like. When I do get closer to finishing this book, I will of course make a video on this channel to let you know more information, and I'm really curious to see what you guys think about this. I haven't shared this with anybody so far, so let me know in the comments below what you think of this, and let me know if you guys are open to like merch. I haven't tried any merch yet, and I'm kind of curious to try some this year, so also let me know down below what you think about that. What kind of stuff would you like to buy to support this channel? Let me know in the comments below. Something else I think that might happen this year is this channel might finally hit 1 million subscribers in 2018. After about 5 years of being on YouTube, I think that would be a really big milestone for this channel. And if I haven't said it before, I'll say it again. I truly, really appreciate you guys for sticking around and watching my videos. I'm always amazed at the quality of subscribers this channel has, because you know the internet can be a scary place, but you guys are like so amazing in the comments and so helpful. And you guys make the internet a more positive place. So I think just having a big base of those kind of subscribers is really exciting. You guys help each other out in the comments when I don't have time to answer all of your questions. You submit captions in other languages to my videos, which also helps more people. I love making videos for this channel, and I hope to continue doing that for as long as I can. And I want to continue making this a happy place on the internet and our own creative outlet. So thank you again, and I hope you are having a good start to your new year. I think this is going to be a good year, and I'm looking forward to it. So I will see you in my next video. Bye!